looking back at 2022 and briefly just looking through the window for 2023. In terms of a summary of the year that is past, probably 4 points worth making. The first is there was no place to hide. If we just look at returns on markets, the world index in dollar terms down 14% this year, year to date. Emerging markets almost down 20%, and world bonds in dollars down 12%. Currencies also had a torrid time. If we look at the yen, traditionally a safe haven, down 18% against the dollar, and sterling down 12%. So diversification really didn't help. So really just theme 1, no place to hide. Theme 2 is interesting. It was a market of opposites. So when we look at the US market this year, down 14%, yet in 2021, it was up 27%. At the end of last year, South American markets looked cheap, but they're effectively considered a basket case, down 20% in 2021. Yet in dollars, they're all up 20% in 2022. The glory boys of 2021 were tech stocks, and they ratcheted up 30% in that year. This year, down 25% in dollars. Against that, energy, which in 2020 and the years before that no one wanted to own, has had 2 fantastic years. Did a 40-odd% in 2021 and 53% in dollars this year. So that's theme 2, a market of opposites. Theme 3 is really that South Africa isn't as bad as it has felt. Living here with Eskom and load shedding has felt awful. But in fact, year to date, the rand is only down 6%, and in dollar terms, our market is slightly up. So think about it. We're down 6% in rands, but sterling and yen are down more than double that against the dollar. So theme 3, SA not as bad as we all think. I will say, however, that over 10 years, the South African market in dollar terms has only done just about 1% annualized. So really a poor performance over a decade, which talks to the possibility that the South African market is set for a re-rating, and we think it's very cheap. The fourth and most important theme for our clients is this. Our clients have done well this year, and we ascribe this to 2 reasons. 1, a consistent approach to build a financial journey for each client with good diversification and not selling cheap South African assets, yet owning enough global exposure. The second is the way our teams have managed the various portfolios during a tough year. Our clients have done well. So as we end the year, it's actually been on a relatively high note for North Star clients. And looking into 2023, we still think it's going to be a tough time as interest rates rise. But assets are starting to look very cheap in South Africa, and various emerging markets look undervalued. And we're seeing pockets of value in developed markets too. So we think on a medium to long-term view, our clients are going to do extremely well. We hope you have a blessed and safe festive season, and we're really looking forward to looking after you in the year ahead.